Imagine this. It's February 2026, and your finance department just closed the books, without a single human touching 80% of the invoices. No more late nights reconciling accounts. No more endless spreadsheets. An AI agent did it, planned it, executed it, flagged anomalies, and even suggested cash flow optimizations, all while you slept. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. Welcome to the autonomy era of finance. Today we are breaking down the biggest AI trends reshaping money, business, and wealth in 2026, and exactly what forward-thinking companies and investors need to do to win. If you're running a business, investing in fintech, or just trying to stay ahead financially, pay close attention. According to the latest reports from NVIDIA, Deloitte, PwC, and industry insiders in early 2026, over 65% of financial institutions are already running production AI, not pilots. 89% of them report real revenue increases and cost reductions. Gartner predicts that by the end of this year, 40% of business software will include fully autonomous AI agents handling end-to-end tasks, like fraud detection, loan approvals, and reporting. No human in the loop for routine steps. The shift from AI assistant to AI colleague is here. Let's look at the top trends driving it. First and biggest, Agentic AI. These aren't chatbots. These are autonomous agents that plan, reason, make multi-step decisions, and execute, all within guardrails you set. In finance, this means AI agents processing invoices, matching POS, reconciling accounts, detecting anomalies, and even initiating payments. Tools like AI-powered CFO agents already running 80% of small business finance ops for some companies. Banks and fintechs deploying digital employees for customer onboarding, compliance checks, and real-time fraud investigations. PwC calls 2026 the year agentic workflows go mainstream in finance, tax, and operations. The result? Finance teams shift from number crunchers to strategic growth partners, focusing on revenue expansion, dynamic pricing, and scenario planning instead of manual drudgery. If your business still relies on humans for 90% of AP of AR, you're already falling behind. Generative AI has evolved. It's no longer just writing emails or summarizing documents. In 2026, it's becoming the reasoning engine inside financial operations, summarizing complex loan applications and financial statements at scale, classifying customer intent and responding with hyper-personalized advice, powering agentic commerce where AI assistants shop, pay, and optimize using tokenized credentials and user rules. Think routine business purchases happening without anyone opening an app. Forward-thinking providers are moving AI from internal cost-cutting to consumer-facing value, better budgeting tools, smarter credit access, personalized investment insights. The message from industry leaders? By end of 2026, AI in finance must be precise, accountable, and genuinely improve people's financial lives, or it risks regulatory backlash. Regulators are watching closely, but they're also encouraging responsible innovation. AI is now embedding compliance directly into workflows, real-time AML monitoring, fraud pattern detection, regulatory reporting. Generative models reimagining disclosures, making them clearer and more dynamic instead of 50-page legalese PDFs. Business impact? Massive cost savings plus lower risk. Firms using AI for compliance report faster decisions and fewer fines. 2026 is the breakout year for AI RegTech, especially as agentic systems handle investigations autonomously under human supervision. AI plus digital assets equals the modernization of money itself. We are seeing agentic AI optimizing payment routing across borders, detecting anomalies, slashing costs. Stablecoins powering instant, low-friction B2B and consumer transactions. Embedded finance going next level. AI chatbots initiating payments, anticipating needs, completing checkout end-to-end. Fintech predictions point to AI agents transforming e-commerce payments from discovery to delivery, while tokenization unlocks real-world assets like never before. If you're in business, ask, is your payment stack AI native yet? Because the ones that are will capture market share fast. Here's the reality check. AI adoption is skyrocketing, but ROI scrutiny is intense. Many teams jumped on AI in 2025 and got disappointing returns. 2026 separates winners from experimenters. Companies measuring real P&L impact, cash unlocked, revenue leakage prevented, margin expansion. Finance leaders upskilling for change fitness, broad AI literacy, workflow redesign, rewarding fast learning. hybrid human-AI teams, cobots, where people handle judgment and relationships, agents handle execution. Bottom line, 2026 isn't about having AI. It's about proving AI makes you richer, faster, and more competitive. So where does this leave us in February 2026? AI is no longer a nice-to-have in finance and business. It's the operating model. Agentic systems, generative brains, embedded intelligence, and autonomous compliance are rewriting how money moves and grows. The companies thriving right now. They treat AI as a strategic partner, not a cost center. They measure hard ROI. They invest in data foundations, governance, and people who can lead the change. If you're watching this and thinking my business needs to catch up, start today. Audit your finance workflows. Pilot one agentic tool. Build your AI roadmap before Q2 ends. What trend excites you most? Agentic CFOs? AI native payments? Drop it in the comments. Let's discuss. If you want more breakdowns like this, deep dives into specific tools, case studies, investment angles, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. New video drops every week. Thanks for watching. Stay ahead of the curve, because 2026 waits for no one. Which AI finance trend will impact your business most in 2026?